Hello everyone, how's it going? In this video, we're going to quickly analyze Lucid Motors. An article came out this morning where Lucid Motors basically crossed Ford in terms of market capitalization. So you can see Ford is sitting at about $79 billion and Lucid Motors is sitting at about $88 billion. Let's try to analyze whether this is a company that we should be looking into. So yes, it's around $72 to $80 billion depending on the stock price at the moment. And right now it doesn't have any revenue coming in. There is no revenue whatsoever. I mean, they came out with 2050 vehicles in the recent quarter, but right now there's no revenue whatsoever. Net income, net profit, forget about it. And this is not a new company. It was founded back in 2007. A very old company, and a company which has not yet turned any revenue yet. And think about it. It was founded in 2007, and only in 2021 they decided to come out in the public market and come out with an IPO. They know that this is a bull market going on, and people all over the world, they are promoting EV, and there's this EV bubble, EV mania going on right now. This is the best time for Lucid Motors to come out in the market. Now, this is an article back from 2017 where Lucid Motors was almost acquired by Ford. So they were running into problems, they were running into investments, they were running into cash flow at that moment. And basically, back then, Lucid was another company called Evitia, and they were into battery manufacturing, and they were making batteries for the EV vehicles. And Ford almost bought them at that instant, but then they found the public investment fund with Saudi Arabia. They got good investment, and they've been burning cash ever since. A few interesting things about the company. Insider roster. So Peter Rawlinson, who's running the company right now, it's a good fact that it's a founder-led company, and always we've seen that founder-led companies are, the founder has full incentive to run the company. But at the same time, about the skin in the game, the founder owns about 30 million shares, and the company has about 1.6 billion outstanding shares. So if you compare, basically Peter Rawlinson owns about close to 2 billion, maybe 1.8 billion percent, 1.8% of the whole outstanding shares. So the whole ownership he has in Lucid Motors is only 1.8% of all the company. So with that, I mean, you can say that how much of his portfolio or how much of his net worth is within the company, we don't know. But that tells you that the skin in the game may not be so much. But again, this is the largest automaker by market capitalization. And you can see Tesla is sitting right at the top, about $1 trillion. Then you have Toyota at only $262 billion. Tesla, which is at 1 trillion, it generates about close to 600 to 800 or close to maybe even a million cars per year. Toyota, on the other hand, it generates 2.6 million per quarter. 2.6 million per quarter. That's the level of public or production they have for cars. Rivian, this is another crazy company, no revenue going on at the moment. Same case with Lucid, the 8th valuable car company in the world, sitting at about $88 billion with no revenue. That happens when you have this crazy mania going on in the market. Now, I want to leave you with this particular chart. This is from Amazon. And right now we know Amazon is one of the most valuable companies out there on the planet. And this is the chart back from 2000 when the internet bubble was taking place. And you can see Amazon was initially trading at about $3, $4. Back then, people did not know what Amazon was or what the capacity of Amazon was. And you can see right in the internet bubble, when all these internet stocks and people loved internet, this .com bubble was going on, Amazon went up to the top of $100, $106. And right then, when the bubble burst, you can see the stock has been falling down. Then you had the 9/11, which happened, and the stock kept crashing, and it fell down all the way to $65. Right from the highs of $100, it went to $6, $7. And look at the amount of time it took the company to recover the stock price. So from here, it took about 7-8 years, I think, if not even $100, it's $93. Another few years, so about 10 years to get the price of $100 back for this company. And Amazon is one of those few companies who survived that period, who survived that .com. There are many companies from that era who also had that peaks like this, who are no longer within the no longer in the plan, no longer publicly trading. They've been bought or they've been bankrupt already. Amazon, we know what happened with them. and we were lucky enough to see the rise of Amazon. But there are many other companies who basically vanish out of the face. So this happens quite a bit. This happens when you saw Tesla going up, everyone jumped on it, and then they try to find another Tesla and be another Amazon out in the market. And this is the herd mentality. So just want to share this with you. With that, take care, stay safe, bye bye.